Hello and welcome to today's video. So we are checking out of Portofino Bay Resort. Really great, really enjoyed it. Our room was large, really nice, very comfortable. Only thing is always check your bill because they charge us for a rollaway bed for 2 nights at $35 a night. And we didn't have a rollaway bed. So I don't always check my bill, but I did this time and saw that we had been charged. So they just called down and they took it off. But we're checking out, headed to the parks for a little bit before we head back. We did the buy one park ticket, a Florida resident deal that they had buy 1 day, get 2 days free. So that's what we're taking advantage of. So as you can see, Ryder is in his swimsuit. And why is that? What are we gonna ride?
What is it called?
It's the flume. I don't know. It's the barges or something. He's never ridden it. He's finally tall enough. He saw it last night. I'm gonna buy a poncho. Ray's not gonna ride because he's driving, so he gets out of that one. But I brought a change of clothes for both of us. I'm probably gonna buy a poncho, but I'm trying to dress somewhat comfortably because I know that ride you get soaked. So, but let's head over to well, I guess Islands of Adventure. So we're on the boat. Gorgeous day.
I'm on a boat.
Stop. 5-minute wait. Gorgeous day. Yeah, no complaints. Let's see what we can get done. So it's 12:20. It is Labor Day, and it is a lot less packed than it has been the last 2 days. Now we're actually getting here earlier than we have the last 2 days, but you can just tell it's considerably less people.
Yesterday, you couldn't see the walkway. It was just simply people.
Okay, so they're gonna go ride Spider-Man. I didn't get to ride Hulk yesterday, so I'm gonna go ride Hulk because I have not ridden this in several years. So Hulk was a walk-on, rode first row. Ended up waiting for the first row, but it was a walk-on. Only problem was the locker malfunctioned and I couldn't get my stuff. So it took like 15 minutes to get my stuff out of the locker. So now we're gonna ride, Ryder and I are gonna ride this. Ray's getting a snack. Ryder and I are gonna ride this. Yeah, I really don't want to ride this. This way? Ryder, you gonna get mommy sick? Oh my goodness! We did it! Successful! So Kong is up and we are in line and we're gonna go ride it. So we're back in Hogsmeade and we're gonna ride Forbidden Journey again because that's what Ryder wants to ride. We only rode it once the first night, so we're gonna ride it now. There's only a 25-minute wait, but we also still have the express pass. So we rode Forbidden Journey and then I placed my mobile order, came back to the Thunder place, the falls. It's easy, it's good, and it's, you know, just easy. So Ryder and I are going to eat. Ray may go ride Veloster Coaster. The wait for Veloster Coaster is only 45 minutes. Forbidden Journey was a walk-on. It was like a walk-on for Express, and it was pretty much a walk-on for people who were not Express. So the lines today are so much better than they have been the last 2 days. So it's Labor Day. I remember this from 3 years ago, but definitely the same for today.
So here's our food. Came here super fast today. Obviously yesterday we got here right before they closed. So, and today we got real plates. Yesterday we were all on paper plates.
Okay, so lunch was awesome again. Ray decided not to ride Veloster Coaster. I'm gonna go ride it because I didn't really enjoy it yesterday because I was too scared. So I want to ride it again and actually enjoy it. Probably should have done it before I ate, but I'm starving. And then Ryder and Ray are going to go to Camp Jurassic. Ryder wants to do Camp Jurassic. We did the flyers yesterday, but he didn't get to play in the playground. So they're going to go to Camp Jurassic while I go do the Veloster Coaster. And then probably we're going to head over to the falls and the flume ride and then call it a day and head back home. So I just rode a Veloster Coaster, evident of my hair, and I just went. Ryder and Ray were at Camp Jurassic, and they did the flyers. I went and bought a poncho, mainly because I just don't want to be completely drenched. Ryder's in a swimsuit. I have clothes to change into, including shoes, but I don't want to be completely dressed. If I can avoid having to change, that will be the best. But yeah, I personally have never done this. So I am sure that I'm going to get sick. Oh my God. The things we do for our children, right? So we're about to get on. We're in rows 1 and 2 because Ryder wanted to be in the front so that we can get really, really wet. Right? You wanted to get really, really wet, so you wanted to be in the front? Ryder, you're soaked! Let me see you! I have a pool of water. Until an attendant instructs you further. Let me see, Ryder. How'd you guys do?
I got soaked, man. God. All of us soaked in this.
Okay, so we are back home. We didn't leave the park until like 4. So we were there almost 4 hours. We got a lot done. So Labor Day was a lot less busy. And thinking back on it, that was exactly how it was in 2020. We were able to do so much today. Like Forbidden Journey was a walk on. I think I waited maybe 20 minutes for Veloster Coaster. Hulk was a walk-on, and we didn't get to the park till like 12:30. So I think if we were ever to go on a holiday weekend again, we would probably do it differently and probably maybe only go 2 days and take a day off. And I don't know. I don't know. We would definitely do things differently. Maybe take off Tuesday or leave on Tuesday and just pull Ryder out of school for one day. But going to the parks on Saturday was a waste. I mean, I think we did 5 rides in 5 hours. And I would never go to Hollywood or Universal Studios after 3 o'clock when there is a Halloween Horror Nights. Just don't do it. Like it's chaotic, it's crazy, everything's rerouted. Just trying to get around is difficult because everything is rerouted. But other than that, we had a great time. Really love Portofino Bay. Definitely our favorite of the 3 deluxe resorts at Universal. We have stayed in all 3, and Portofino Bay is by far our favorite. Just absolutely loved it. The staff there was great. The food at the pool bar was great. I mean, I think we would have liked to have spent more time at the pool, but we didn't. But it was great. We had just a wonderful time. I'm exhausted. Ryder's back in school tomorrow. So, but it was a great trip. It was fun. Veloster Coaster is amazing. I didn't enjoy it the first time I rode it. So I rode it again today, and I really, really enjoyed it. And I rode it in the front, which made all the difference in the world. It was just awesome. Like it's an awesome ride. Also rode Hulk in the front, which was awesome. Just a really great trip. So gonna get some rest now. Gotta go back to work tomorrow. Ryder goes back to school. And yeah, so we are headed to the Disney Magic in less than 3 weeks. So in 2.5 weeks, we will be on the Disney Magic, back doing another Halloween cruise. And so join us for that. But if you like this video, click like, click and subscribe. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Bye everyone.